In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived projects in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, grab your device and open your web browser. Once you're there, navigate over to the official Asana website. This is where the magic begins. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the Login button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button to get into your personal account dashboard. You'll now be prompted to sign in. You can choose your preferred method here. If you have a Google account linked, opting for that can make for a quicker sign-in. Just select that option, and in no time, you'll be logged into your Asana account, ready to tackle those archived projects. Now that you're in your dashboard, it's time to find the specific archived project you're interested in. You can either scroll through your projects or use the search bar at the top of the page for a more direct approach. Just type in the name of the archived project you're looking for. However, keep in mind that archived items tend to be hidden in order to keep your workspace nice and tidy, so you might need to look a bit carefully. Once you've located the project's name, there's a small icon with 3 dots next to it. This little icon serves as a menu for additional options. Click on it to view with the project. Among the options that pop up, look for the one that says Unarchive. This is what you'll want to select in order to restore the project back to your active list. It's a simple but important step. After clicking on Unarchive, take a moment to verify that your project has successfully returned to your main screen. It should now be visible alongside your other current tasks. If you see it there, awesome. You've successfully navigated the process of unarchiving, and just like that, you're done. It's a pretty straightforward task when you know the steps. Now you can revisit any archived projects whenever you need, helping you keep your workflow organized and effective. Check your result now. Is everything as it should be? If you've followed along, you likely see that project just where you want it. Remember, utilizing Asana for project management means you can always go back and retrieve important information from those archived projects without hassle. So keep those workflows efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Asana and other tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a productive day ahead.